Okay, so how you doing, folks? Today I'm gonna looking at the best code editors for HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and more. That's for video editing, which that doesn't make sense. Yes, it's web designing, and the first editor we're gonna looking at, it's an editor called Microsoft Visual Studio, which can used for HTML files, but it's mostly for C Sharp, which you can find here, C Sharp. That I and this is the only software that I use for Unity, which comes handy from time to time. And Unity, it's a game engine which you make game on, and maybe I'll cover that afterwards. But I'm gonna looking at the HTML, which is the web designing right now, or developing, whatever you say. And the second one is Dreamweaver, if that's correct, if that's how you spell it or pronounce it. And this software is really good because it has live preview, which you can just click here and click the browser you want. But by the way, you have to save it before you do this. So after you come here, you just do anything you want. Yeah, and you can see it's called untitled document, which if you change anything inside, let me change it. Heading 1 equals 1111, and we don't. I'm not saving it, and it just shows up. How cool is that? Okay, and the next one is going to be brackets. Well, the difference between brackets and Dreamweaver is that Dreamweaver can be the live preview in Dreamweaver can be used in Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer, and Google Chrome. But in the brackets, you can only use the Google Chrome, which look only uses with Chrome. And but it's also good, really good. I was using this to covering the tutorials, the 7 tutorials that I made, or 8 in total, including the introduction. But in this video, I'm not gonna do so many things. 111, and you see, sometimes it doesn't work, sometimes it works. But if you save this, it will show up. So another difference is that in here, the live preview, you have to save it. But in Dreamweaver CC, you don't have to save it. It will just show up. And something happened. Okay, that doesn't matter. And then we are in Atom, which Atom is a highly recommended software editor, but it's just not that good compared to the other ones. But the colors looks really nice. I really want to use this, but the only reason why I don't is because it doesn't have live preview. So there are good things and bad things about the editor. So the most important thing is that Dreamweaver can do anything other code editors can do. So this is probably the best editor for HTML and CSS, JavaScript, and so on. And this is the second, and I'm not gonna say the third and the fourth because it doesn't matter already. And thank you for watching this video. Subscribe if you haven't. Like the video if you liked it. You know what to do if you dislike it. And see you in the next video. Peace.